Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to build any custom agent in ADK from scratch. So we are going to discuss each and every step. How should we build any ADK agent? Okay, which steps we should follow? What will be the folder structure? Which are the dependencies we needed? And finally we are also going to deploy this in the agent engine. So we are also going to discuss which steps we should consider while deploying any agent in the Google agent engine platform. So everything we are going to cover in today's video. So any agent in agent engine. Okay friends, so I will share my screen. So if you see on my screen, so here I have created one simple e-commerce product table in BigQuery table. Okay, and what we are going to do in today's video, basically we are using this table using built-in BigQuery toolset. Okay, and if user ask any question related to this product, so our BigQuery tool give the answer by using this specific table. Okay, so if you see my VS Code window, okay, firstly I have created here one virtual environment. Basically in this virtual environment we are storing or we are installing all our dependencies, all our packages. Okay, so firstly I have created this by using the command like python 3 -m.vnv things. Okay, after creating this virtual environment I have installed all my requirement.txt. So if you see in requirement.txt what I want, firstly I needed Google ADK version. So here I am using Google ADK 2.3.0, which is latest one. This Google Cloud AI platform, in bracket agent engine, these things we required for deploying our agent on agent engine. This two BigQuery and BigQuery storage, which we required for our BigQuery toolset. This Google Cloud storage is for the staging bucket, and all other dependencies like auth.env, Cloud Pickle, all we needed. Okay, so now I will go to my main code in agent.py. So if you see here, I have imported all necessary libraries. Okay, first one is the agent, another one is this BigQuery credential config and BigQuery toolset. These are the from built-in BigQuery tool. To check here, so this is the big they already created one tool, okay, which uses for BigQuery one. So we are using this built-in BigQuery toolset. Okay, these are the credential. Here I am using application default credentials. Okay, this credential in your terminal you can log by using gcloud or application default login. So we'll access it by default. Okay, here the most important, this is toolset. So we are creating here BigQuery toolset. Okay, and after in our root agent we are using this as a tool. This is simple prompt I define here, which basically I am informing our agent like use this specific table. Okay, this is our GCP learning 469104. This is my project, this is my test data set, and this is e-commerce products is my table which I show you earlier. Okay, so I am just informing the agent that please refer this table only, don't use any other table. Okay, here is my root agent. In root agent I am using the BigQuery underscore agent as a name. I am using here Gemini 2.5 flash model. Okay, these are the here in instruction we are passing system prompt, and this is the tool set. Okay, so if I run this using this ADK web, so if you see, if I run it using the ADK, so you can see here, if I ask any question like initially I am asking that how many records I have. Okay, so it's giving me the 100 record because in my table I have the 100 records. Also if I ask the give me the list of product which has a price less than $100, so it's only returning me the product which has the price less than $100. If I ask give me the categories of product, the category, let's I'm giving this product. Okay, product derivative, in the category of So basically how this built-in BigQuery tool works, it converts all your question, natural language question, into this SQL one, and this SQL fetch the result from your actual table. So if you see in my earlier example, we will see here, okay, it will creating these SQLs. If you see here in query, we have this select category from GCP learning specific table where product name is equal to this, and here we are getting this answer. The category of product 018 is a sport. So if you see, our agent is custom ADK agent with built-in BigQuery tool is working fine. Okay, in next step we will means deploy this agent in the agent engine, okay, by using the deployment script. See that means how our custom ADK agent with built-in BigQuery tool working fine on local, which tested with few queries. Okay, so our next step is that to deploy this agent in the agent engine. So which steps we should follow for this, we're going to discuss this. Okay, so if you see on my screen, so here I have created one script which is deploy.py. So in deploy.py I am importing some of the library like import vertex AI, as well as from this vertex AI I am also importing the agent engine source. Okay, and this is most important here. We are importing from our BigQuery ADK agent folder agent, we are importing this root agent. Okay, so we will use this in our deploy.py file. Here I am loading all these packages which or variables I have defined in the .env file. Okay, if you see here I am importing Google Cloud project, its Google Cloud location, and this is my staging bucket. I do hard coded here, but you also keep maintaining it in the .env file. In vertex AI init I am passing my project ID, location, and staging bucket. Okay, so if we want to deploy this agent, so firstly we will writing remote agent is equal to the agent engine dot create one. Okay, and in create one we are passing our root agent, which what will be the display name in the agent engine. So I am giving is this BigQuery ADK agent, some description of that agent. Here we are passing requirements, which requirements we want. Okay, and in extra package we always pass the our BigQuery ADK agent folder path. Okay, basically in that we have all this file init.py agent and all others. Okay, so if I am trying to deploy it earlier, I am getting lots of errors. So I have fixed this 400 reasoning error. This is because we are not importing right packages. Also we sometimes our authentication method is not right. So I fix all those things, and when now I am deploying it using this python deploy.py thing. So if you see here, firstly it will started our deploy agent engine. It's installing all the requirements. Okay, and finally our agent got deployed into the agent engine. Okay, so I will show you here. So if you see here, we have our BigQuery table which we are already seeing. Okay, if you see here, this is our logs. Okay, and this is where I have, if you go into the agent engine, I will go into the agent engine. Okay, this is our agent engine code. Okay, so if you see here, our BigQuery ADK agent got deployed here. Okay, if I want to query this, so there are multiple ways, but I will run into this playground. Okay, if we create on this, click on this playground. Okay, and here session automatically got created, and if I ask any question, products which has price, more than $200. Let's see what we got. Okay, so if you see here, we are getting all the products which has the price less than $200. So in this way, you can build any agent. Okay, you can build any agent in the local, and then you can deploy this using this deploy.py script in agent engine. Okay, I will give you the entire code in the link below in my YouTube video. Okay, you can check there. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for joining.